This is my ID. Hello everyone, I'm Jiafan. Today my speech is going to focus on the relationship between employee engagement and the retention rate within an organization. Before I dive into the detailed demonstration, let me first give you the conclusion. That is, as the title states, engaged employees result in high retention. Maybe it's too abstract when you just look at the title. Let me give you some intuitive sense. Now let's imagine two types of working environment. The first environment is like this. All employees are actively joining the discussion and exchange their thoughts and ideas. Looks great. I even want to join them. Okay, let's see the second one. Two persons are falling asleep. This guy is smiling, so I guess he's not listening to the presentation. And the boss, he looks like helpless. So it's really horrible. Okay, now it's time to make a choice. Which environment would you like to work within? I guess most of you guys, as well as myself, would choose the first one, since it's entertaining, friendly, and making you feel like working is a joy. So this is the charm of the engagement. After getting an intuitive sense of that engaged employees result in high retention, you may want to find out why employees' engagement improves employees' retention. So in my opinion, there's three contributors. Okay. It's the first one, satisfaction. Second one, understanding. And consistency. The three reasons together lead to a higher retention rate for dedicated employees. Next, I'm going to talk about the three reasons in detail. Sorry. Employees' satisfaction can be assessed from two aspects. The first one is that employees' expectations are fulfilled. Although the expectations are usually hard to accomplish, and sometimes in the positive position in the real life. So companies should still attach great importance to fulfilling employees' expectation. Only in this way, the company retains their employees as much as possible. The second aspect of assessing employees' satisfaction is that there should be no sense of frustration for employees in pursuit of personal goals. In other words, the personal goals of engaged employees are always in line with the overall goals of the company. If there is a conflict between achieve personal goals and achieve organization goals, the satisfaction of employees will be remarkable, diminished, and the employees are more likely to consider leaving the current company. Understanding is another important reason for why employees' engagement improves employees' retention. I'm also going to talk about this from two angles. First, engaged employees usually have a clear understanding of strategic direction and goals. This prevents employees from doing extra useless work and largely improves the working efficiency, which helps them maintain their enthusiasm toward their work and thus increase retention rate. Second, engaged employees tend to clearly know how their work directly relates to their implementation and success of the company's strategy. This mindset helps them to quantify their contribution to the company and strengthen employees' loyalty, so which lead to a higher retention rate. The last reason is consistency. The dedicated employees will feel that his personal value is consistent with the company's value and mission. Actually, this is pretty similar to the second aspect of satisfaction. The key point is that there should be no conflict between personal value and organization value. All employees will feel unengaged and will be likely to find another company that shares the same value with them. So, you see. Now it's time to sum up. I would like to conclude by emphasizing the fact that engaged employees result in high retention, just as what I mentioned rapidly through this speech. Besides this, I also talked about the 3 factors that contribute to higher retention rate. So the first one, you remember, satisfaction, understanding, and consistency. Yes. With the 3 requirements fulfilled, employees will be engaged and committed, leading to a higher retention rate. That's all my presentation. I sincerely appreciate your attention today. Thank you. Thank you for your time, and I wish you guys all have a wonderful day. Thanks.